Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this fidget called a ClicClac. The flattened version looks a lot like the Origami Pop-It, but it doesn't work like a Pop-It. Instead, if you press the sides, it'll open up into a rectangle, and then you can pinch the corners of it and just fidget like that. Now, I find that thicker paper works best, like maybe a sheet of construction paper cut square, as I have right here. But for the purposes of this video, I will be just using 2 sheets of origami. So start with 2 sheets of square paper and cut it in half, both of them. Since I have scissors right here, but I prefer not to use them, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and then flip it over and fold it in half again. And repeat that until that area where I'm folding gets like super creased down, and then I can rip it. Like this. Then you want to do the same thing on this side. So, honestly, the best way to go about this is to use a sheet of construction paper cut square, because it's double-sided and not double-sided so that you have different colors on each side, which I found out when I made this one, which has white on the inside. I figured out that whatever you fold to be on the inside is going to be on the inside. I'll explain that later on, because that doesn't really make much sense. There we go. Folded. Now I have 4 sheets of rectangles. Now take one, whatever you want to be on the inside, so whatever you want to be on the inside, make sure it faces up. Okay, so here. Let's say I want the flowers to be on the outside, so I make sure that the red faces up, and then I fold in half. And then unfold. And then what you want to do is you want to take this, and this is your point of view, and fold it like that on both sides so that it looks like a big arrow. Like this. Alright, and then unfold and do it again, but in the opposite direction, like this. But the arrow is facing in the other direction. Make sure to keep your folds as precise as possible, because the more precise it is, the better your ClicClac will be. Alright, and then make sure to crease sharply. And then when you're done, flip it over so that the side that you want to be on the outside is on the top. Then rotate it like this and fold the top edge down to the middle crease. I don't know if you can see my middle crease here, and the pencil might not work out, but it's there, right here. Fold it down like that, and then unfold, rotate, and fold it down again. Then unfold and flip back over. Now what you want to do is you want to take this, the one that's closest to you, this crease right here that's closest to you, that should be pointing up like a mountain. See, mountain ranges, or an M, like that. And then pinch it up and fold and like take the top of the mountain and bend it over so that this line right here, this edge, aligns with the middle crease. Do this on both sides. Alright. So once you're done with that, rotate it so that the opening is down the middle vertically, I think. Yeah, vertically. Then what you want to do is you want to find this opening right there and open it up, which this edge right here won't allow you to do it unless you pull the edge over and make it like that. And then you should have like a cat with square cheeks. See, look. And then what you want to do is you want to flip it around so that the cat ears are on the bottom. And then do the same thing. Open it up. Open up these two. And fold the edge over. Like this. And now you should have a bow tie. Like this. And then what you want to do is you want to take these bow tie edges and fold it over like that. And do that to all of them. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. If I'm going too slow, just skip ahead. Like that. And then flip it over and fold in half. It should be easy because you already have a crease right there. And then flip back over here and do the same with the other four. Like, come on people, did that not work? So, I finished up all the pieces. You should have 4 total. And if you had different color paper, then it should be 2 of one color and 2 of the other color. So, now pick one of the one color and open up, wait, this is your perspective. Open up the top right. Then pick one of the other color and open up the top left. Then turn it to the side and however you'd like, slip it into this pocket right here. Slip one of them into the other pocket right there, like that. And then fold it back up. So, I'll repeat, because this one is a hard one. Unfold that. Unfold that, and slide one of them on top of the other. If it doesn't go in, check on the back and slide it into one another's pockets. Like that. And then for the first piece that you had, which is my flower piece, unfold the top left, and then for another one of these pieces, the red pieces, unfold the top right, and again slide it into one another's pockets. So as you can see here, I have an alternating pattern right here. Orange, red, like that. So if you want it to be like that, what you have to do is you have to loop it. You sort of have to intertwine it together so that it like crisscrosses like that. And then what you want to do once you finish that, unfold these ones right here, unfold it, take your final piece, unfold both of the bottom ones, and then for me it actually helps to flip it over and see how everything is out, like that, and then flip it back over and fold it back like that. And then that's just the first part of your thing done. The next part is super easy, so yeah. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to open up all of these triangles, every single one of them. Open them all up like that, and then take the flap and just fold it over like that. Just pick it up. And then again, if you want it to interlock, then just arrange it so that it interlocks like this. And then what you want to do is, you see these flaps right here? These ones, just fold them all over. Put them in. Just fold it all in like that. Press it down a little bit. And then, if you flip it over, you can see that you have this little pocket here. If you pinch this, then it gets small enough so that you can just fold it inside. Now, this is a bit of a pain to do, and as you can see, mine just burst apart. So, yeah. Give me a sec. Here, here, here. Like that. Alright, as you can see, I have one more to do. It turns out if you do just the first one, the rest of it just becomes super easy. Because then you get the hang of it. As you can see, the first one is the only one that has a little bit sticking out. Alright, so once you do that, the last thing that you have to do, as you can see, it bears resemblance, but it's not quite there. So, to get it to the final state, which is the finished part, you have to take these flaps and fold it over the little things that they're, the little hard things on the inside. There's a thicker second sheet of paper there. So, yeah. Gosh, I messed up here. Yep. There. As you can see, I'm still not that good at it. But I'm getting there. Alright. So just fold it like that. That'll make it easier to then reverse fold it. Similar to the ninja star I made in this video. Right up there. That ninja star, that helps with reverse folding. So if you open up one of these, the corner right there, and if you open it up wide enough, then you can just pop it right in. Easy as that, that's what the reverse fold is. Like that. And then just keep going. Do all of the corners. Like that. And then, there you go. So if you hold it like this and press the sides together, it turns into a triangle, and from there, or not a triangle, a rectangle. Sorry. And from there you can just press on the corners, and just press it like this. So yeah, a little bit of a thicker paper works better, but origami paper still works too, and also normal paper. Any kind of square sheet will work well. And yeah, like I said before, it makes it significantly easier if you keep it precise. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!